In this guide, we're going to be breaking down the fastest ways to level up here in Weak Legacy 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout the guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the way to level up quickly here in Weak Legacy is specifically by focusing on level-based leveling up, and that sounds kind of simple, but it is a little bit more difficult than you think. Basically, from levels 1 to 150, you're going to be in the starter loop, and essentially you're only going to want to focus on story missions and quest dummy missions. They're a bit boring, but they are required to unlock your first breathing style, which is essential. Don't waste time grinding basic NPCs. Once you hit level 150, stop normal quests completely, and this is where you're going to move on to the boss quest server hopping. Essentially, you're going to want to do the boss quest dummies. Start with Tanjiro, which is only about, 4,000 HP. Grab the boss quest from the NPC, kill the boss, server hop immediately. Server hopping instantly does reset the boss, letting you bypass the server timer. And once your damage improves, move on to Rengoku and Nezuko. As soon as you kill them in under 60 seconds, they become a lot more efficient than Tanjiro. From level 700 to 1400, dungeons and mastery XP is the way to go, and it's going to give you a lot more XP efficient, despite them unlocking at level 250. Essentially, just go into the dungeons, push to wave 25 for maximum XP and rewards, and this is the fastest way to level up at this stage. Start farming Shinobu and the Ice Katana boss, because these are especially good for mastery XP, which is harder to grind than player levels. The best builds, by the way, for fast grinding is going to be the Moon V2 and the Sun V2. That'll clear bosses pretty fast, but the best fighting style is by far the Ice Katana. It costs about 1 million yen and requires 3 crystal essences. It's a combo potential, and it makes boss farming roughly twice as fast, making it 100% worth it. But that is it. That's the fastest way to level up here in Weak Legacy 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.